Day to you all. So as I hope you all have enjoyed the film, the message we want to share from this film is that we want to remind ourselves that with independence comes great responsibility and that our actions, no matter how small or how big, and no matter if someone is watching or not, they should always reflect respect, honesty and kindness. Because freedom doesn't just mean living freely and doing whatever we want. It means that doing the right thing, freedom to choose the right thing, it means living rightly. So I hope you all enjoyed the film and you will take that message to the heart. Thank you, everyone.
Very good morning, everyone. May I request Nubram also on stage, please. I will not take a lot of time, but I have a very important message for all of you. You all are soldiers also, and I will tell you how. But I'll tell you a short story. 3 or 4 days ago, YouTube is on TVs in everybody's houses, and I walked into my daughter's room. She is in Montessori, and she was watching a video. And that video looked very cool. The words, the flashy images was amazing. But I suddenly noticed the name of the YouTube channel. It said Brain Rot Journey. And I asked myself, something is wrong with this channel. And then I thought, what's wrong? And it did take me a lot of time to realize the name itself is wrong, isn't it? Journeys are supposed to take us forward, no? Not keep us running in circles until we forget how we and where we started. Then I also took the privilege to Google the meaning of brain rot, the term. And it said content that has text, images or videos that put you in a loop. They get you hooked but do not have any meaning as such. So इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि मुझे नॉलेज कुछ नहीं मिलेगी बट क्रेविंग मिलती रहेगी कि मेरे को ये और देखना है और देखना है. There is no human storyteller, no beating hearts, no emotions, only flashy AI images. That for me is the biggest threat to children in today's times. That doesn't even need an LOC or a border because that has already entered our houses. The only thing and the bare minimum we can do is stand as guardians for such YouTube channels. If you have someone junior in your house, you can make sure what that person is watching, does it make sense, and trust me, human conscience will tell you. भले ही आपको कितना भी अच्छा लग रहा है, human conscience will tell you within 10 seconds whether a AI cartoon character with or without a neck flashing and saying something which is looking good. You want more, but it leaves you nowhere. Does it need my attention or does it not need my attention? So with that thought, I will say a very happy Independence Day. Please don't let younger generations fall into this trap because this definitely is not freedom. Because this not only kills their curiosity, it also stops them from learning many other things. They can use that time for many other creative things. I got a feedback from Narendra ma'am that in the first short film we shouldn't have used plastic items. I really appreciate that thought. Ki junk food and plastic we should not show. And because the media club is run by the school, for the school, I think you all are also part of the media club. And if you have any such suggestions, if you don't like some content of the films, come up to us, share it with us. We are more than happy to use those things in our future films also. And with that thought, I will pass on the mic to Raghunath ma'am. And yes, brain rot content avoid, please. Thank you very much and stay free.
Greetings to everyone. Happy Independence Day. I'm very happy to see the children here on stage with us with the film that they have made themselves. And I think I am very much thankful to the management for this because the management is actually giving the chance to children to produce their own film, to bring out their own ideas on stage, on screen. And I am pretty sure that one of them or more than that, they will be definitely future used to it, and they will definitely bid for their own story, and they will definitely make their own log times and everything. I'm pretty sure about that, and I'm very much thankful to Karan sir, Principal ma'am, Arjot ma'am, and our coordinator Narinder ma'am to always support me and Gaurav sir whenever we are there with our odd request, especially the odd request of taking us out from the class and taking out the children outdoors, out of the school premises for the shoot and everything. Thank you for your cooperation, and once again, happy independence to everyone, and live your freedom freely. Enjoy it. Thank you.
And one last thing, this second film was shot in a record time. How much time was it? Half an hour. The second film was shot, finished in half an hour. So their homework was so strong that the camera was only used for 30 minutes. Alright, thank you.